Chapter 12 Extended Reality Learning Objectives. What is extended reality? Applications of extended reality. Types of extended reality. Introduction. You must have experienced AR or VR, augmented reality, or virtual reality in real life. There are lots of AR, VR games or applications which can give you different and amazing experience. In this chapter, you will learn about augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality, which is collectively known as extended reality. What is extended reality? Extended reality is also known as XR. Extended reality or cross reality refers to the combination of the real world with virtual environments so that human can interact with machines or virtual world with the help of wearable devices and computing technology. It means extended reality is extending the real world by incorporating digital elements to simulate the real world. Applications of extended reality. There are lots of areas where extended reality is already being used. Let us discuss about them. Fact file. The most common users of XR are ranged from 16 to 34 years. Gaming. One of the most popular uses of extended reality is in gaming field. There are lots of games which are using the technology of virtual reality such as Beat Saber, Half-Life, Alex and Moss, etc. There are also games which are using the technology of augmented reality such as Pokemon Go, which has more than 70 million users currently. Vehicle design and development. Designers and developers are creating designs and can use a virtual reality to get a 3D view of the product before manufacturing it. In this way, they get a better idea of how their product will look like and how will it function. For example, BMW is using augmented reality in the designing process of their vehicle. Virtual try-ons in e-commerce. Many e-commerce websites are using extended reality to facilitate their users that they can try on their outfit virtually before even buying them. For example, Vertebrae is a company facilitates their clients to use 3D and augmented reality technology to provide their customers with a virtual try-on experience before paying. Surgery plans. Extended reality is used in the field of medical and healthcare. Doctors can use XR to give a chance to the patients to view their surgery plans through virtual reality. They are using this technique just to educate their patients how the things work, and it gives a little confidence in the procedure. Property viewing in real estate. Real estate companies are using extended reality technology to create virtual tours of the properties. These virtual tours can be viewed by the clients to have a detailed information and view about the property before purchasing. For example, Matterport provides real estate professionals with 3D and VR tours of properties. XR in the field of education. Extended reality is also used in the field of education to provide a different, exciting, and practical learning experience to the learners. For example, Class VR is a company which is used to provide schools with VR hardware and software to the students, which makes it easy for them to learn about a variety of topics. With this technology, students are able to see the world, look inside the human body, to know how a machine functions, etc., through the lens of VR. Types of extended reality. There are 3 types of extended reality: virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality. Virtual reality VR. Virtual reality provides a completely digital and computer-generated environment. This artificial environment provides a 3-dimensional 3D view to its users. It facilitates the user to step inside it and interact with the 3D world that can either simulate or completely differ from the real world. It provides the 360-degree view of the virtual world. In order to experience the virtual world, you need to wear gears such as VR goggles, VR headset, VR gloves, and VR bodysuit. When you wear these gears and enter in the virtual world, you can experience through vision, hearing, and sometimes touch senses. For example, the simulation of the real world is provided to the soldiers or pilots for training purposes. Augmented reality (AR). Augmented reality is different from virtual reality in that virtual reality creates a complete virtual and digital environment, whereas augmented reality uses the real world environment and overlays new information on it by putting virtual objects in real time. These virtual objects can be text, graphic, audio, or other virtual enhancements. Augmented reality is basically used to enhance the objects that reside in the real world by adding computer-generated perceptual information in it. It includes three basic features: combination of real world and virtual world, interaction at real time, 3D registration of virtual objects and real objects. For example, V2 Technologies Star Walk, AR Coloring Book. Mixed reality. Mixed reality is a combination of virtual elements and real world. It provides a completely new environment and visualizations in which digital and physical objects coexist and interact in real time. Fact file. The term mixed reality was introduced in 1994 paper by Paul Milgram. Mixed reality allows the users to immerse himself in the real world where he can interact with virtual environment using his own hands by wearing a headset. It enables the user to have one foot in the real world and the other in a virtual world and offers a wonderful experience that can alter the way of their job. For example, mixed reality games such as Angry Birds, simulation of surgical operations. Quick backup. Extended reality is extending the real world by incorporating digital elements to simulate the real world. One of the most popular uses of extended reality is in gaming field. Many e-commerce websites are using extended reality to facilitate their users that they can try on their outfit virtually before even buying them. Real estate companies are using extended reality technology to create virtual tours of the properties. Virtual reality provides a completely digital and computer-generated environment. Mixed reality is a combination of virtual elements and real world.